Hello, my name is Yemi and welcome to my kitchen, Yemizkitchen. Today we'll be making cucumber juice, a nice and refreshing drink that is great in the morning and evening. Actually, it's a green juice. First we'll have the cucumber, then come the ginger, which I'll be adding. Some limes. Some spinach, and lastly some parsley, which I'll be adding to this juice. It's all green juice. So let's go to my table. So I'm going to start by chopping off the head of the cucumbers for the cucumber juice, and then slice it to pieces to fit my blender. Here I have folded the cucumbers in the blender. I have my parsley and my kiwi fruit, which I have washed and chopped into these slices. Here comes the spinach. I'm going to fold it in like so. Here I got my washed and chopped ginger. I'm blending it with the skin and everything, the way I like it. And for the limes, I just want to cut it and just set it on one side. You see me rolling it so that it can make more juice. Now we want to go for our water. I'm putting in a cup of water for easy blending. I'm going to pour a cup of water with ice and then mix it up a bit. Now you see I've blended it just like so. So you have a choice of either sifting it or drinking it like that. Since it's a detox juice, I'm going to drink it like that. Now I'm adding my honey in here. The honey is optional. I'm putting about a spoon or two right here in my cup so it can taste nice. It really tastes nice. It tastes better than it looks. Trust me. Now I'm going to pour some of it in the jar to keep in the fridge. This tastes so good. It tastes better than the way it looks. You must try this at home. This is a detox juice. It's nutritional. It's good for your body. Cucumber detox juice. Heavenly. On my Instagram and TikTok at Yemizkitchen, or on any of my social platforms. It's a pleasure having you here. I hope to see you in my next episode. Don't forget, happiness is a choice. Choose to be happy. Love. Yemi from Yemizkitchen.